We've all heard of GLP-1s. Today we're going to talk about how to do the two most popular GLP-1s that are FDA approved for weight loss. We're going to start with Zepbound. The injection sites are either in the fattier part of your arm, the belly, or in the fattier part of your thigh. So either of these injections, what you're going to do is clean off the area with alcohol. You keep it in the refrigerator. This is a once-a-week injection. When you pull it out of the refrigerator, you take off the cap, the needle's up inside. You'll put it from locked to unlocked, put it up against the area that you're going to do the injection, put a little bit of pressure, squeeze, there'll be a click, that'll inject the medication into you. There'll be a second click letting you know it's done. You can retract it, you put the cap on, you put it in the sharps container for disposal, and you're all done with that injection. Wegovy, which is also a once-a-week injection. Again, you keep in the refrigerator. The injection sites are the exact same places. This one's a little bit different. You take off the cap, you put it up against your skin, and you're gonna push up against their skin. Therefore, the needle goes into you, injects the injection into you. There'll be a second click to tell you it's done. You retract, you put the cap back on, you put it in the sharp container, you're done. So let's talk about what they're used for. Zepbound is FDA approved for weight loss, but it's also FDA approved for people with moderate to severe sleep apnea. So if you have one of those, a great tool that could be beneficial for that. Wegovy, again, FDA approved for weight loss, but it's also FDA approved to prevent a second heart attack, also is shown to help prevent worsening of kidney disease, and also is FDA approved for people with fatty liver, be it metabolic or alcoholic or other fatty type conditions that could be causing that. So if you're interested or have questions about any of the medications, please talk to your doctor. I'm Dr. Rohn Rigby, who'd love to help you on your journey to improving your metabolic health.